Alright, so basically I'm going to teach you how to make MMD Lipsync. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. I do it very easily. Can I remember how to do things? There we go. So what I do is we're going to start with just a random head for now. We're going to use Mira's head. Mira V2. This is one of my favorite heads. Cannot lie. So it's pretty easy. You quite literally just, first of all, you need this. This is awesome. This is your lifeline. At least for me. If you're gonna use the Japanese letters like I do, this is gonna be your lifeline. Because I don't know Japanese. But if you're gonna use the English letters, you could probably just remember it on your own. So you probably don't need this, but I use this. And it's very easy. The red ones, as it says up here, it's pretty self-explanatory. The red ones are the main ones, like the main lip syncs, like E, O, etc. Those are most likely going to be in every song, but the black ones, like triangle, are probably not going to be in there, and some expressions and stuff. I quite literally only use these and the two blinks. That is all I use, and it appeases my autism. That's all I care about. So, now that we've got that out of the way, for your head, you can do this with anything that has blend shapes. If it has a mouth, you could probably slap some blend shapes on it and name it these letters, and you're fine. It'll work. Because the MMD worlds, what they do is that they are searching for, in your avatar, they're searching for an object just called body, and then under that body, they are looking for blend shapes named either the Japanese letters or the American letters. American? English. Anyways, you want to, what I do, actually, this is the easiest way to do it for any, like, pre-made head, but you can do it any way you want. For starters, we have the A. I copy this, I take the A VRChat Lipsync, and I just new shape from mix while it's on 1. Because what it does is that it makes a whole new blend shape with the exact same movement. And then you just name it whatever the fuck you want. And rinse and repeat for the last of them. You want to do this with the blinks as well. And another thing I want to point out, for example, this head has the blink expression just called blink. But since this is also just called blink, you can either not worry about this entirely, or what I do, because I am silly like that, is I will rename it so that I can use the Japanese letters. Because otherwise, they will layer on top of each other in-game and, like, double the blink, and it looks stupid. Your bitch will look like this, alright? We don't want that. So, once you have all of the blend shapes you want, that's it. You're all done. That's all you need. Moving on to Unity, because we're not done, actually. I lied. You got bamboozled. This is Mako. I'm still working on them, but for whenever you get into Unity and you have your head, see here, I have all my lip syncs down here, as I please. They work. They're named Japanese because that's how I prefer it, but you can use the English ones, whatever you want. And for it to work from now, whether you have the head attached to the body or not, the head, whatever these blend shapes are on, has to be named just body. It can't have any other characters, like how I make my body have a little exclamation point. Can't do that. And it might be confusing for some people, but I've done it for so long now, I'm used to it. Alternatively, you can just merge the head and the body. That's up to you though. This is what I do. And then, after you name the head body, you want to get AV3 Manager, which is in Creator Companion. You just add it, and then you add your model, go here, and you want to make sure all of your right defaults are on, because otherwise the lip sync will not work. You have to have right defaults on. And that's it. That is literally all you need to do. It is the simplest thing in the entire world.